guys, still ngayon, mute pa rin ako kahit hindi naman dapat. Nakakaiyak. Sabi mo, ate ko, tiyanak daw ako, hindi naman totoo. So guys, ipopost ko to sa YouTube, malamang. Ano pa ba to? Oh my god, ang tagal. Kakainis. Dami niya guys. So this is random blind bags and go epic in a, yellow ay common, green ay epic, epictionary, rarity, reality, legend, mobile legendary.
Mapapaibig.
So we got joke lang, hindi yan. So we got, kita nyo yan, legendary. Kita nyo yan, lo. Kita nyo yan, legendary yarn. I'm so excited. Joke lang guys, ko ngayon. Kahit hindi naman dapat. Huwag kayong magsalita dyan ha, na pang-bash-bash ba. Hindi ko yan mapakakalimutan na. So we have wala na. 4 na So, ito yung lagay ng isa. Ang cute niya, parang yung isa. Parang yung isang ako na maganda. So guys, when we was in Manila, so in Manila is so mainit talaga, and you know, I wear shorts every day. Not every day too much. I wear shorts like here. So we're in Mindanao, and I'm so maitim na. Kahit hindi naman mainit. Doon sa Manila na hindi ako na naiinitan, pero dito sa Manila na parang wala lang, normal lang, pero dito hindi naman mainit kaso umiitim ako. Nakakainis, no? So next blind bag, I'm so excited because this is so big. So guys, sorry if I am so OA and sakatero ba I'm so OA at this vlog because you know I didn't play YouTube. I always play TikTok and Roblox because Roblox is life. Ay, joke lang. Sorry sa teacher ko na nakarinig. Ay, joke lang. Tignan nyo man. So cute. So bye-bye. Ay, joke lang. Ay, OA ng pagkasalita. So, tigilan na natin tong boses. Ayaw ko. Kasi nasa ko sa Cavite. Ay, joke lang. Cavite. Sabi na. Ewan ko, basta. Huwag na kayong magtanong. Gutom na ako. I'm hungry very, very much. I'm so hungry. No one wants to feed me. Look, feed me. So guys, I'm so OA. If my teacher watched this, I'm so sorry because it's necessary. What is necessary? Ewan ko yun ha. Bakit ko pa nasasabi? Hindi ko. Alam nyo yun. I'm so OA right now guys. So let's unbox the, oh my god, ang cute. Bini, ewan. Bini siya. So, mainggit kay, ay, joke lang. lang guys. I'm so okay na. Baka sabihin nyo na pang bash-bash man. Huwag kayong mang-bash ha, please. Nagmamakaawa ako dahil sa TikTok ay nakikita ko pag nanonood ako, lahat may bash. Ayoko may mang-bash dahil makakapag-away ako. Dahil I'm brave and wala, basta. So, let's unbox the third one. So, you gotta be kidding. No, it's gold. Isasangla ko to. Gold siya. Gold. Isasangla ko to. No, isasangla ko. Tsaka yun guys, ang being OA na talaga. So, bye-bye. That's my last blind bag. So, I hope you like it. Because I like it too much. So, you must like it too. So, you must like and subscribe. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hindi pa nga ako natatapos ay, joke lang. I'm being OA. I'm being honest. I'm beautiful. So that's all for today's video. Goodbye. That's all for today's vlogs. So goodbye. Close yun na.